Lemko Language, Lesson 3, Personal Pronouns, to be, and noun genders. Lemkiuski jazyk, третя лекція. Особове місценазивники, бути і роди називників. Personal pronouns. Особове місценазивники. Let's familiarize ourselves with personal pronouns in Lemko. Я means I. T means you, singular. Vin means he. Ona means she. Ono means it. M means we. V means you, plural. V means you, formal. One means they. To be, bути. Now we will learn the conjugation of the Lemko verb bути, to be. Jem, I am. Yes, you, singular, are. Jest, or alternatively, yeah, he, she, it is. Sme, or alternatively, zme, we are. Ste, you, plural, or you, formal, are. Sut, they are. Noun genders. Rody nazivnikів. In Lemko, nouns can have one of three genders: masculine, feminine, or neuter. Generally, a masculine noun ends in a consonant or miaki znak, such as gerok, meaning jacket. A feminine noun generally ends in a or ya, such as chăja, meaning house. A neuter noun generally ends in o or e, such as pole, meaning field. Note that the above statements are applicable to most and not all nouns. In later lessons, we'll talk about the other variations of these nouns, but the information above should be okay for now. Sentences. Rečenia. Word order is more free in Lemko, but for now we can treat it the same as in English. There is no word for a and the in Lemko. If the subject of a sentence is in the first or second person, such as I, you, we, then either the subject or a form of to be, bути, is needed, but not both. Generally, the subject is used rather than a form of to be. Я Lemko. I am a Lemko. Ty chłopec. You are a boy. If the subject of a sentence is in the third person, such as he, she, it, they, then the subject is needed, while a form of to be, bути, may be included or omitted, depending on personal preference. Ona jest harda. Ona je harda. She is pretty. Він jest hel. Він je hel. He is here. Він Lemko. He is a Lemko. Whenever a sentence is in the form noun plus to be plus noun, the noun that is not the subject is in the instrumental case. We'll discuss the instrumental case more in depth in later lessons. Vin jest Lemkom. Vin je Lemkom. He is a Lemko. This concludes Lesson 3. Please stay tuned for upcoming lessons.